Are you gardening, honey?
No.
What are you doing?
Landscaping.
Oh, you're landscaping. Okay.
A little bit of difference.
I guess there's a little bit of difference.
What do you want?
Nothing. Mom just said Dave is gardening. So doing something by your grapes.
Well, you know, your mom's a little goofy today because you gave her all that shit. Sorry, girls. All that stuff.
Hey, you broke my rake.
No, I didn't. That was already broke.
Who broke it?
You did.
What do you mean I did?
Don't be blaming it on me because that's the way I found it. So there. You broke it, trying to blame it on me.
Meemaw's got another spy out here. Not sure if I showed you guys this one before or not. Look at how huge. Look at how huge this ground cherry is. And it's starting to flower.
I'm sure that's a ground cherry.
I'm absolutely positive now that I see the flowers on it. It's huge. Look at the leaves on that sucker. My goodness. I might be planting some of those just over in our ground garden over there and let them come up every year. That'd be fabulous. Look at all these peppers on here. Do you have a tape measure on you?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I carry all my tools that I love. I leave the house, I've got a whole $1,500 toolbox that I strap to my hip.
I thought you told me before that you always carry around a measuring tape.
No, I always carry around a knife.
Oh. Well, it doesn't help me measure anything.
Well, I wasn't planning on measuring anything, so I didn't bring it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go grab one. I have to measure my celery.
Why?
Because I think it's taller than Jan's. Jan. Simply Jan.
What?
Loose faucet.
You're saying that your celery's taller than she is?
Than her celery
I was going to say, God, you need a tape measure. Ain't no way.
I don't think it's taller than she is. I think it's taller than...
Because that's the way it came out. I think it's taller than Jen.
He's just silly.
I didn't know she was that short.
I guess she's pretty short.
Well,
But I don't think she's that short. Right now. I said I'm going to measure my celery right here, right now. Look at this celery. It comes up to here. From way down there.
what kind of a measurement is that? It comes up to here. Okay. Well, I'll go on by your stick up to here.
Come hold my camera for a second.
I gotta do it. I was perfectly happy, content.
I'm only going to be
in
a minute.
my own little world out here, and who
Okay,
shows
just
up?
hold my camera.
The camera lady.
And go down to the... What is that? 22.5 inches. Oh, what's this? Ooh, 22.75 inches.
Oh, I don't know. She's
Did you
kind
zoom-
of
are you
short.
gonna
She's
zoom in?
she's not even 2 feet tall.
Are you going to zoom in on that?
Isn't that zooming?
Yeah, but don't do like this.
Now they're all going to be sick.
No, I'll cut that out.
Oh.
Da, 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 da. What do you think, Jan? I don't think yours was this tall, and it's still growing. It's only July.
So she's taller than 2 foot, isn't she?
Yes, she's taller than 2 foot.
I'm saying. I don't know. I've only seen her sitting in a chair.
But I don't think her celery is taller than 2 feet.
She's about knee high.
She's about knee high. Alright, I gotta eat something. I haven't eaten anything.
You know what time it is?
Dinner time.
What are we doing?
I don't know. I got that pork and I haven't done anything with it.
Okay. What an answer. Like, what are we doing for dinner? Well, I got this and I got that, but I haven't done nothing with it. Well, does that mean tomorrow we get to eat or what?
So I suppose these potatoes could get a little more dead, but not much more dead. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them out today and see what we have. I'm not super hopeful about the potatoes. They never did get very big, the plants, and they never did flower. They didn't last very long, so it's going to be interesting to see if we even get anything out of here. Let's dig in and have a look. Well, I'm sure not finding anything in my straw. Not any potatoes. Alright, well, let's try. Well, I got one. I got one potato. 2 potato. Oh, and my stuff is it's just rotting down there. My potatoes. Oh, is it that wet down in there? Oh, look at that. I guess that's probably because these are dying is why those are rotting off, but oh no, look at that potato is rotting too. Oh. Ugh, that stinks. So if you remember this lettuce, you might remember me mentioning that this was a bad place to plant lettuce because it gets so hot in this bed, and that I was going to go ahead and pull it out. Well, then I noticed that it was sending out this giant stalk. So I think it's going to flower, and I am going to try and save the flowers, or I mean the seeds. So wish me luck on that. We'll see what happens with this. So Elizabeth tells me that this in my special pot that I've never seen before, that's growing in my unique container, is actually kale, which, okay. I know that we're not huge fans of kale around here, but I do like to dehydrate it and put it in my green powder. So that's what's going to happen with this. I am going to transplant these. I just haven't quite decided where yet, and I wanted to keep them here in the shade for a couple of days to acclimate them to being outside before I moved them into the full sun. I'm beyond shocked that my cauliflower hasn't gone straight to flower, but it's not forming anything down there, but it is still alive, and I think I mentioned before that the leaves were getting eaten, but I didn't really care because I'm not going to eat the leaves, so if something else wants to, that's fine, I guess. So we'll see. And then I got some beets. I think these are beets back here that I put in late in the season. My little Kajari melon is poking along there. What else do I have? I don't know. I think those are some marigolds, maybe. In there, that might be marigold. Maybe some more celery or parsley. I don't know. My lettuce looking beautiful. Here's my little mystery seed update. I know it's some kind of a pepper. It's not getting very big, especially compared to these other ones. It's probably not getting really enough light, maybe.
Why?
Okay, now.
Why?
Say hi, Montana.
Hi, Montana. What? Why?
Tell her she's not the only one who has epic failures at gardening.
Well, no. How could she be? You haven't been to our house, have you? We just grow stuff.
We just grow stuff. And then what, honey?
We just grow stuff and throw it away. Look at her taters. Look at her taters she grew.
Look at my taters. This is my big tater harvest for the year. It's giant. And wait till you see my beets, Niecy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you my beets. This is exciting. Dun, da, da, da. There's one that's a decent size. Look at that one, honey. No, those are kohlrabi.
Oh.
There's one that's not a bad size, but look at most of them are.
Those are babies. They're not even
My kohlrabi looks good. I got two nice kohlrabi about that size. So they looked good. But yeah, that's pretty pathetic. I don't know why my beets aren't growing. I left some in, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to clean these, and I'm actually going to try to make pickled beets for honey.
What is this?
It's kohlrabi.
What in the hell's kohlrabi?
It's...
Sorry, I'm learning to clean my language up, and it's not working real well. What is that?
What is kohlrabi? Yeah. We've had it a couple of times now.
Now there's a good explanation. I love that. What is it?
It's a type of...
Well, we've eaten it before. Well, there you go. There's a definition I can understand.
It's a type of cabbage.
That don't look like
It's
cabbage.
kind of a mixture between a cabbage and a radish. Kind of has a little bit of a radishy taste to it.
I've seen cabbage look like that.
Well, I don't know what it is, but it tastes pretty good.
That cat box. I gotta go clean the cat box.
All right. You're not the only one, Niecy, who has epic failures with your garden. Don't let it get you down. Oh my gosh. It's all about learning and just keep growing stuff. You can do it.